Respected quartermaster sir, company commander sir, Subedar major sir, and all employees, good morning to all of you. Today I keep my point on the view of 21st century police and human rights. First, I introduce to what is human rights. Human rights are natural right we get from birth of every person. Right to life, liberty, equality and dignity. Right to live a dignified life, civil, political, social, economic and cultural. Now we see that what is the role of police with regard to human rights. In a democratic society, police officers hold a unique position since the state empowered them to use force when required. Human rights impose significant limitation on police operation, including the use of force, requiring them to adhere to stringent legality, proportionality and necessity criteria. Such constraints help to guarantee that when police operate, they do so in a way that respect human rights and seek to achieve. Officer must not only respect but also actively protect human rights, such as by arresting a suspect to protect the right of others. Human rights are the foundation of police work because of this police commitment to defend. Sometimes we think human rights and police are different things, but we critically examine that both are supplement to each other. Like that, human rights are foundation that object of policing. Human rights protect successful police, establishing strict legality, necessity and proportionality standard. Human rights-based policing aid help in the successful administration of justice by ensuring that human rights are respected while police acquire evidence that later used in court proceeding. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning to our respected sir, quartermaster sir, and all our respected sir present here, and all my dear friends. I love Singh from D Company. I am here to present my views on the topic police and human rights in the 21st century. So, first, starting the topic, let us understand what is the meaning of human rights. Human rights are the basic needs or rights which every human being is entailed from its birth. These rights are considered to be indispensable, means no one can take these rights from you until your life. If you are born as a human, you have some rights. In India also, in our constitution, we have a fundamental rights at an individual level, and we have at a state level we have a directive principle of state policies which are mentioned in our constitution, which say that every citizen of India has some rights, and you can't they have some privileges, and you can't take that rights from that people. So these human rights, before going to the at police level, we need to understand what is the work of the police, how police curtails the human rights of the citizens while performing their duty. So police officers are affected by human rights in many ways. They are the ones who help people if there is any infringement of human rights by recording their complaints. Like a person, if we're talking about the state level, there are two citizens fighting for their needs. There is a probability that one may curtail the human right of another. So at that point of time, the police comes in the role to protect the right of the one person by depriving the rights of another person who is the wrongdoer. So human rights are the foundation and the objective of policing. It promotes successful policing by establishing strict legality, necessity and probability standards. Earlier days, when we hear the word police, the first thing comes in our mind is it is a department which maintains law and order in the state. But in the 21st century, the meaning of police is different. I want to describe some weak points on the police, how it protects the human right of another. Like, the duty of police is to respect, that is, duty not to violate human rights and not to impose restrictions on right that is necessary to fulfill its obligation as a state. Secondly, I'd like to, the second duty is to protect, that is to protect the extent possible all persons against violation of rights. A right is something, a right is not what someone gives you, it is something which no one can take from you. This was a phrase by Zelensky, who upholded on the UN conference against on the view of human rights. So nowadays, the ex Chief Justice of India, the Ramana, said that nowadays police is working day by day for helping people. One of the best examples was the Corona pandemic, when police were supporting people on many fronts. They were helping, in other words, we can say he was protecting the human rights of every people from getting debarred. So, but still there are some reforms has to be taken in the police reforms, so that every citizen of India can trust police, because many of them, many critics say that every point of time, whether lodging a complaint in a police stations, our rights are curtailed. Our rights are curtailed means we can that we don't get a judgment at a time.
Something in front of you all, and today's topic, you know that today's topic is human right, and I would like to say something about human right, like what is human right. First of all, you should get to know what is human, and being human, it must should know what is the right and what is human right. Human right are the right that every human has by virtue of being human. And whenever you born in any place, then you already get it. Your human right, no one can burn, no one can reduce, no one can delete it. And we must get to know about these all rights. Whenever we don't know before some era about these all rights, then we are discriminated according to color, caste, religious and gender. And that time we don't know, and we were unknown about these all things. Then some people used to good work, and some people had to do bad work, like carrying mud on head and dancing in people places without cloth and eating stale food. That was the very bad thing for a human, because we all are similar. And according to me, this time we are moving in 21st century as a corpse, and that time was different than today. Whatever happened, we can't compare with this, but this time we are police. So while working in police, while working in public places, we had to face many difficulties, like fighting, quarreling and discussing people, and people always hiding behind the human rights. They always take position behind the human rights and always raising their hands to take human rights, and always committed crime. But we can't do anything, because we get into trouble if any action take against them, because they are public and we are public servers. Then these all things are difficulties for cops, and nowadays we can understand what the feeling of human, and we are already a human, but they can't understand our feeling. They can't say, they always blame us, and they always try to say you are not good, you are bad for public. But no, we all know we always serve people, and we always protect people, but they never think about us. According to me, these days human rights should be reduced, at least not whole human right, but at least special places, special time. We should reduce these all human rights. Then it will be progressive for our country. If you want to do this, then public whatever they feel like to do, they will do. And according to they are always being aggressive, they done many difficulties things. So according to these all things, in my opinion, human rights should be reduced, and government should take action at this. Thank you all. Thanks, sir. Jai Hind.